Okay, you guys. Let's see what's their food here.
I'll get the plate.
You get the plate, baby. No, I'm later. So this one, macaroni cheese. I do it, okay? Because it's not, no kids allowed. What's his favorite? Every time we go here. More?
I know.
Okay, let's go eat. Oh no, we're gonna go eat more.
Is there pizza?
Pizza? Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go for it. You have pizza?
I don't think so. I didn't check.
No, they don't have it. So they have this. Kami naman food, actually. There's some. You want the other one? Onion rings?
Yeah.
Okay. This is where the onion rings. Chicken nuggets. You want chicken nuggets?
No, I want onion rings.
You don't have that. You want French fries?
What else?
Donut. Or you want the other one? Your favorite one. Come on. This one here.
Yes. Just chill.
This is his favorite.
Another
Crab
favorite.
ragoon. Okay, now go.
What's that?
It's over there. Go. Yeah. Okay, there's not lang people. And we have my food. Ito yung pamatay nila, oh. Ayan, yung fish. The fish is big. Fish. And then shrimp. Dinner na to kasi eh. Kaya dinner lang sila umano ng ano. Dinner lang sila.
They tried.
Nag-serve. And this is for my dinner Mother's Day date, of course.
Everly Rose, come here.
And this one is the rocks. Dami nilang food, but few only I want here. I want the chili sauce. Ito lang yung fruits nila. Ano silang fruits, pero wala yung mango. I want yung mango. Pero meron silang days na mayroon silang mango. Pero not today. Ito yung ano, yung dessert. Dessert. Well, hindi kami nagdi-dessert. Kaya ayaw namin yung dessert nila dito. Ice cream. I want to grab my gloves kasi no gloves. Kasi ayaw ko maganyan yung kamay ko sa kumakain ako ng ng fish. Ang dami nilang food. Ang dami nilang food. So many foods. And this one's my favorite too, coconut shrimp. And this is the soup. But it's Ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo madlang tipo. Kasi nandito nga kami sa, sa Chinese food. And then I saw this. I don't know kung ano to. I think it's sinigang shrimp. Kasi may shrimp siya, oh. Na-ignorante tuloy ako. Sinigang shrimp ang awag ko nito, eh. Ayan, sinigang shrimp. Kaya mamaya ako, let's go on our table. And this one, and our table. This is our drinks. You want to sit there?
I will sit down.
Oh, okay.
Can I have your phone? Down.
Okay, you guys. We're done eating. Kaya uuwi na kami. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Go.
Here's. Okay. So, I want to hug. Here's the superhero. I want to the devil.
Yan. Uwi na kami guys, pero di pa kami nag-dessert. Pero busog na
I
kami.
didn't even eat.
Yeah, we're full already. Yeah, we don't have no more we have no more space. It's already full.
All my own superheroes.
Yeah.
Like Iron Panther. Next
Okay.
one's the devil.
There you go,
The next one
guys.
is Black Eye.
Yeah, we're
Doctor
going
America.
home.
Green Woman.
This is our this is my dinner Mother's Day date.
Devil. Black Man.
Dito kami kumain.
I don't want to get run over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ngayon, uwi na tayo. Uwi na kami. Kasi busog na busog kami. Gusto mo namin magpahinga. And then katapat yung LA Fitness. Busog na busog kami kumain. Katapat ng LA Fitness. No more. Wala na yun yung in-exercise ko kanina umaga. Naikain ko rin. Di ba lang? Oh my goodness. Tapos tuno bigat, exercise pa more para ma-burn. Ma-burn yung kinain ko. Hang on. Dahil open window. Oh my gosh. Ang namin, sobra yata yung kinain namin. Ngayon, time na exercise. Betipit ko. LA Fitness. Tinabi ba nila yung exercisean sa sa buffet? Sursurando kami mo. Hindi lang papapanan na eh. Sinayang ko yung exercise ko. Ikaan ko malanggayan ti buffet. Busog ako, Daddy.
Mother's Day.
Mother's Day. Mother's Day dinner. Tapos yung anak ko naman, macaroni cheese lang kinain. Ano ba yan? Yeah, ngayon lang kami nag-buffet kasi hindi pwede sa amin. Once lang na may occasion. Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday, Christmas. Yun lang kami mag-buffet. Hindi kami mag-buffet for no reason. Ano kasi, bad health kami kasi. Kailangan naman mag-exercise. Siguro nagtataka kayo siguro pag hindi ako nagpapakita sa sa video. Not yet. Under construction pa eh. Nauwi na kami. Tapos in case na hindi ko na masabi, thank you for watching. And happy Mother's Day. In case lang. Sursurando mo ti pamilya nga tiyo. Dil pagpapanan. Anak kag mula. Mula ti what's over there, Daddy? Tarong. Tarong, sili. Napain din dyan. Watermelon. Kailangan kong i-burn tong kinain ko. Kanina traffic lang dito dati, ano? Wala nang traffic. Na traffic lang kasi yung dyan, no? Yung nagsesemento. Papako mo na ka. Palabasok mo. Pakaaso mo. Passing the games dari dito yun.
I can close the window. It's cold.
It's cold now? Malabukan ka magayam. go, madlang people. Whew. Ang daming na-park sa ano, side. Uwi na. Dalpasin ti lumabon. Nagportak ti battery natin ni Daddy Day. 100% ba to yung ano mo? Inalis mo yung charge niya? 72% na oh. May neighbors din kami ano, Pilipino dito. Mga 4 na bahay lang. Ayan yung bahay nila oh. Ayan yung bahay nila, yung Pilipino. Ayan. Katabi ng stop. Tsaka doon lang naman sa bahay namin. Ayan. Tatabi lang kami. Alright, madlang people, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.
Why what was this?
GoPro, stop.